Everyone! Today I wanted to log on to go over a main topic to help my second and third graders who are still struggling with really being able to pull out what the main topic of our reading is. So I'm going to read to you this short little article called Home Sweet Home, and I'm going to explain what the topic sentence would be and where we find the supporting details. Home Sweet Home. Many early settlers in America lived in log cabins. They lived, ate, and slept in their log cabins. Log cabins were built from the trees. Trees were cut into parts to make logs. Curved notches were made at the ends of the logs. The logs were put together to make the walls of a cabin. A roof was made from rough boards cut out of logs. And then we can see in our picture below, we see all these early settlers working to make their log cabins. We see them carrying the logs, sawing them. If we look over in the corner, we see those two guys sawing that huge log together. We have one guy up on a ladder working on the top of the log cabin, and we just see them all working. So if we look at what we read and at that picture, and we use information from both, what is this mostly about? You can probably see that it's talking about the log cabins. And what is it saying about the topic of these log cabins? Many early settlers lived in these log cabins. So our main topics can have something to do with these early settlers living in log cabins. And you could word it like log cabin homes were used by early settlers, or that many early settlers lived in them. If that's our topic sentence, what supports that? Where do we see proof that these settlers lived in log cabins? We need evidence or proof that they lived there. And this first sentence tells us right out they lived, ate, and slept in their log cabins. So that's proof or evidence that they stayed there. Can you find another piece of proof that they lived in the log cabins from the second paragraph? There's a lot in there talking about the logs, and it tells us that the log cabins were built from trees. That could work. We also see a roof was made from rough boards cut from the logs. That would work. The logs are put together to make walls. All of these are supporting details to prove to us our topic sentence. Many early settlers lived in log cabins. So to recap this, we can tell from the reading in the picture that this is about log cabins, and it's telling and showing us that early settlers lived in log cabins. Proof of that is the sentence that tells us that they lived, ate, and slept in log cabins. And our second point of proof is that they used the logs to make their cabins or their homes. Hopefully that helps you find the main topic of a short reading. I'm looking forward to seeing all of you soon. Thank you.